For those who insist on keeping the Sabbath in a way that does not acknowledge the original Sabbath as being fulfilled in Yeshua, they run into some real problems with Scripture and the truth of life right before their eyes. The Old Testament clearly says that all the worship laws and rituals would be fulfilled in Yeshua. See my YouTube short about Leviticus 23. The New Testament outlines the truth of Yeshua as the fulfillment of Sabbath over and over. See my YouTube short, Are You a Sabbath Keeper? But if you won't believe the Scriptures or Yeshua and hold to your traditions by nullifying the New Testament stated fulfillments, then what do you do with the millions of born-again believers in the prisons or underground churches where worship of Yeshua is outlawed? Do they get a pass on the law? Where does the Bible say that? And what happens if they or anyone else are not worshiping on a certain day? Are they lost? Are they less than the ones who keep only a certain day and proclaim that it's the law? I've asked these questions many times in my 40 years of ministry. Not a single biblical or historical accurate answer has ever been given. Bottom line, all the worship laws, including the Sabbath, were fulfilled in Yeshua, not a certain day between certain hours. I pray you find freedom in Yeshua, who said, I will give you Shabbat.